Some exciting stuff for you guys today. We are installing a new high pressure fuel pump on my friend John's Type R. It's coming from XDI, from Extreme Direct Injection. The stock fuel pumps can only do so much, and we've had to supplement fuel, in my case with methanol, so we can actually push more boost. But with this XDI pump, it's really exciting because Hondata just released support for it so that you can put an XDI fuel pump in your Type R. Flash Pro will actually be able to run it for you in your car without having to do a custom tune. So it's really exciting. It's really good news. John and I have been waiting for this day for a while so we can install it and see how it works. Now that the Hondata supports the XDI and the Type Rs, maybe we can open up a door in XDI and get them to develop one for the Accord. That would be pretty cool, right? It sucks for me because I have the pump for the Type R, but obviously I can't use it, so that's a big bummer. But hopefully we can get something going out of this, and if we can, that's going to be super amazing. But anyway, let's get to the install right now. Thank you for watching, guys. I brought Seco a Mexican flag. So we now got Mexico, we got Puerto Rico, and that spot's gonna be for America. So I need to find a US flag. If you guys got any links or anything, or if you wanna send me one, it'd be awesome. All right, let's get to work, boys. you will need to bend the fuel pipe just a tad to be able to make sure that it lines up correctly to the fitting on the fuel pump. Take your time. Now to get the plug back in there, we have to remove the plastic on the left, which is held by a 10mm bolt. Very important, guys. Let's check for fuel leaks. Todavía falta apretarlo más. ¿Jalo otra vez? And check for leaks again. Apágalo otra vez. Así. ¿Mande? ¿Otra vez? Oh. Good. Here comes Johnny. Yo, did you flush it?
What's that? Now I'm gonna start a new calibration.
Mira, tiene cachetón en la cámara, güey.
Ya sé, güey.
I'm gonna have to Photoshop you.
No me grabes, güey.
Even after we prime the pump a few times, we're still gonna have to push all the air out that got the lines. So the car's gonna run a little bit rough in the beginning, just so you know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this will help you install your fuel pump. And thank you to XDI and Full-Race for helping us out with this.